The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Haswaban penya chakmat yaki kam ka ying Dorbar thawan ka jala hakasngi balai ka Dorbar mangtingka hakakat pratarik Lamphang araja rapunriu kata hadin balakot ka kenta keli jingkeli hakani kasngi u Thomas A sang ma u Lamphang ka ying ulapen bana boloyo jing tip badon we MLA u boleh selfie video recording yaladehi Katba udang shimbenta haka Dorbar hapo ka ying Ulaong bakadai hakasngi baladap balasapriang hakirensan social media bat benrap bakatay jingle kadai ka papan Kenya ki Kyndon ki badai ban boat lani ki Parliamentary practice bat yaka buram komjo yaki rules badai ban boat renti dagi dekat kat kum ka rule arspa anyopusan jong ka rule of procedures and conduct of business. Lamphang ulaong dak bapentray kam yaka rule laispak hatsan jong ka rule of procedure and conduct of business kumta upentep hakayeng bakum katay ka jingle udukhat banle selfie video recording yaladi kat bau dang shimbenta bat kran haka Dorbar bat pensapriang hakirensan social media kadai ka balam mana.
Another business of the House. It has been brought to my notice, honourable members. It has been brought to my notice that one honourable member had taken a selfie video of himself while participating in the proceedings inside the House yesterday and circulated in the social media. This is a breach of parliamentary practice and decorum and also not in keeping with the spirit of the rules to be observed by the members as provided under Rule 275 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Therefore, in exercise of the Rule 315 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I hereby would like to inform the House that such activity of a member taking video of himself while speaking inside the House and circulating in social media is prohibited. This is my ruling.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya